Hi everyone, so I'm back today to share with you another journal. Excuse all my mess. Just push it all out of the way like it's not there. Another journal. It's another grungy style journal. I'm calling it Flutter because there's lots of butterflies in it. I've used various different kits. What else have I done? It's the fabric cover. It started out in this cover and then I had to take it out. And I thought I'm going to do another fabric cover. So it's this lovely fabric. I think I used this on one of the other grungy journals that I done. Anyway, this journal measures 8.5 by 4.5, so it's kind of traveler's notebook width. 1.5 inch spine, 2 signatures, 80 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop, and for today only there will be at a discounted price. But all that information you will find in the description box below, and the link to the journal on my coffee shop. So here is, I'm not sure what paper that is. I think the back of that paper there is, it's a craft cardstock, and then I put on some digital paper from ARTYmaze. We've got this like corrugated paper. It's not quite a cardstock. It was what I got with my dinner set the other week. And this lovely image, she is a freebie on my coffee shop. We've got a butterfly, which is ARTYmaze. This is a freebie from my journal topper cover thing from the other week. We have fabric. Oh, I've just bent a butterfly. It's because I just literally sewed on these pieces. I need to trim them off. So as you can see, it's another little chunky one. There is tags here from ARTYmaze. This is from the old design shop. Little cluster there. There is all sorts of things going on here. Little tags and some ephemera from I think that's TaylorMadeJournals, and that again is TaylorMadeJournals. I think it's, is it the Bookkeeper's Collection, I think it's called. Here is a little frame that I made, and I put some dictionary page in the background and then put a butterfly. That's, it's not on the digital, but it's a butterfly there. Tag here from ARTYmaze, and the pocket's made from book page. Here we've got another tag that's from ARTYmaze. This paper is from an old, it's about, was it 40, 50, maybe 60 years old. An algebra, or I think it's an equation book or something, mathematics book. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. That's a vintage book page there. And here we've got, sorry, it's sliding around because I haven't got any fabric on this glass mat. So that flips out like so. And we've got that in there. So that just peeks out. We've got another cluster here and a cluster there. That's from the old design shop. I made this. The image in the background there is from ARTYmaze, and this is the old design shop, and that's a window envelope. This is from TaylorMadeJournals. We've got a flip up, flip down, somewhere to journal, a little cluster there, and a big tag there. Lined paper, and I've punched that with my binder awl. We've got a pocket there, done these stamped images and then just sprayed on them with just some homemade sprays. Tracie Fox tags and ARTYmaze labels on there. That's already on there on the digital, but that one is actually stuck on. Little grungy tag there. The old design shop. Little pocket there. Tracie Fox tag there. That's called field knot layered tags, or layered field knots tags. This is ARTYmaze from her Tag Galore kit. Dictionary, that's vintage dictionary as well. Ruffle, somewhere to journal. These are, that's stamped and sprayed and stitched all around. Pocket there. This is from the old design shop. You can find lots of links below in the description box to other Etsy sellers. Another tag there. Love them images. Little cluster there. Tracie Fox tag here. Then that's paper clipped on. That was just a stamped image and then sprayed and all stitched around. Whoops. little cluster there, and a little tag here. Belly band there, and I've just got that in there. I do have other pieces of bits and bobs floating around here that I thought I'll keep it all handy in case I need to add something, which I think I do here. That's going to sit in there nicely. Little tag there from the old design shop, and little grungy tag there. Another book page pocket with that's a freebie on my coffee shop. Little alterations tag. It's opened at the side there as well, and pockets here. Little label on there. Here we've just got a collection of little bits and pieces. And a little side pocket there with some ephemera, which is from TaylorMadeJournals. And then onto the second signature. In fact, we shall put something there. I'll put that. And have we got anything else that would go nice? Actually, there's two of them. I like that one as well. We will put two of them there, or shall I just do that one? We'll see. Yeah, I think that's fine. Little cluster there. Little pocket there. Little pieces of ephemera. Tag here. Another book page pocket. Tag from ARTYmaze. Here again, that's stamped and sprayed and stitched. That's a little grungy tag there. Them little grungy tags are actually from some digitals that are on Creative Fabrica. I think that's how you say it. And I just printed them off. I made myself a template from a scalloped tag and then just drew around it. That's what I did there. Some ephemera here, little pocket, vintage book page in the background. These, quite enjoyed doing them. Just stamping and spraying and cutting and stitching. Another one of these. Hop hum and frame. Done that the other day and I was totally off. Just going to double check. Yeah, I'm in frame. I was totally off big time. I had to do the video all over again. Butterfly tag there from ARTYmaze. Flip up, flip down, journal, add pictures, glue it, make a pocket. And obviously it's opened at the side. Lined paper, and I bind it all, punched it. Little tag here. Background tag is actually one of mine that's like my own. I haven't put it on anywhere. It's just for me to do what I want with. I think so anyway. As in, I think that's what I've done with it. I don't think it's on anything. Like available, that's the word. Available. Let's put something else in there as well. Is that going to go in there? Yes. Just a paper ruffle. Which, yeah, thought I'd glue the pages together. Some journal space. Another one of these. Tracie Fox tags. I do love them tags. That opens out. Tracie Fox tag, and then that would actually sit on there quite nice. So it would. But that's not how I've done it. Lined paper. Another tag here. Field notes layered tag, and that grungy paper that I was just telling you about. And that is from the old design shop. Little cluster here. That flips out. I've put nothing behind that, have I? So we will do that. Two pieces there. Little cluster there. Tag here. Another tag there. That's opened there. Another one of these, just put that number label on it. That's an ARTYmaze tag, and the number label is from the old design shop. Little one of these. Piece of ephemera from TaylorMadeJournals. That goes in there, and that is the back. So lots of little fluffy bits everywhere. So that's the journal. And where's all this stuff come from? Must have dropped it from there. So yeah, do you know what? I'm just going to put the last little bits that I've got lying around. Just going to find somewhere to put them. I'll put that there. One more. Where should we put this? Where shall we put this? Put that in there. Got a nice little bit going on. And that will go in there. That's another one of the tags. Just pop that in there. And that was the last bit from there. We'll just pop that in there. So extras. So there we go. Like I said, today only, which is the 14th. I'll put it in the description box. I don't know what date it is. It's really bad. Don't know what date it is. There we go. Yeah, I will put the link for this below. You'll find all the details on the listing. Check out the links below. It'd be great if you gave me a thumbs up and left a comment. I appreciate that. And I will speak to you all soon. Bye for now.